Welcome to the Tune Project. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Lauren and I'm a professionally trained violinist and fiddle player currently living in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm passionate about teaching adult beginners how to play the violin and sharing my knowledge of and love for fiddle tunes from around the world. So whether you're just starting out on the violin for the first time or simply looking for something new to learn, I'm here to help you reach your fiddle goals. We have lots of resources here on the Tune Project, including fiddle tutorials, technique videos, sheet music, and monthly jam workshops so that you can practice playing with others in a low-pressure environment. If you're looking to take your fiddle playing to the next level, join our Patreon community for exclusive fiddle tutorials, sheet music, full replays of jam workshops, and more. So I hope you'll stick around and see what the Tune Project has in store for you. Take care and happy practicing!